Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Today in my shop I have a new customer and it's a new vehicle to me, 2006 Toyota Prius with approximately 175,000 miles on the clock. Apparently they had it serviced by one mechanic for entire time, so that's interesting. But he either retired or something, so they needed a new person. And in this video I would like to show what it means to kill two birds with one stone. Because it's so easy to inspect in one time MAF sensor and throttle body on this Prius. Let me show you. It's almost three birds. Because you start with inspecting your engine air filter. It's pretty self-explanatory, I will say. Everybody can see these clamps. Will you not agree? Now, even without watching this video, you just leave this cover, put it on the side right here, for example, and this is the engine air filter. It takes just 1 second to flip it over and see if we don't have a mice nest here. Fortunately not. And what is condition of this filter. I will say this is fairly new, so we don't need to replace that. But here we go. Look at it. MAF right here. And without even doing anything, I will show you, I will prove you can inspect it from here, both MAF and the throttle body. Let me bring the light. Oh, it's actually here. I don't have to go anywhere. So, look when I will apply the light. And now look that little ball in the wire. Right there. You see that? It's in the center of your screen right now. That thing's supposed to be kind of reddish. And the fact it's black like the surrounding plastic means it's completely covered by the dirt. So this was checking the MAF. We already know I can write, or I should write to the customer, hey, I recommend the cleaning. Now what's about the throttle body? Well, look down there. Do you see it? Can that camcorder show it? Do you see all that blackness on that butterfly of the throttle body? Let me see if I can force it. Zoom on that. Yeah, this MAF is in our way of the focusing the camcorder. Never mind, you can see perfectly under, correct? Do you see that blackness on that gold butterfly valve? It's definitely dirty. Can see it better. Oh yeah, there was a little hint of it. It was once focused. So you can see that we basically, with removing just this part, this cover, we actually inspected within a second 3 items: engine air filter, MAF sensor, and the golden throttle body underneath that. And I remember from times at the dealer when we were servicing this daily, it was so many of them for the regular maintenance. I remember there was actually technical service bulletin, because when that throttle body was not clean, it will trigger like a series of the codes. It was 2 or 3 codes. I lost that paper. I don't know which one it is, so I apologize for that. Bottom line, keep that throttle body always clean, as we always do on Toyota maintenance, and it will spare you some problems in the future. So, yes, did we just kill 3 birds with 1 rock? I guess we did. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give it a thumb up, and please be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.